Law enforcement responded to a report of a verbal altercation between a mother and her son. The mother informed officers that during the argument, her son struck the stove, shattering its glass top. She invited the officers inside to examine the damage. As she opened the door, her son tried to leave the home, picking up a substance resembling a white rock, suspected to be an illegal narcotic, before moving toward the back exit.
He temporarily stay here, he be back and forth, but you can't just give me that woman stuff like that. I'm scared for myself, he gonna try to hurt me. But what, ain't my mama home, ain't my mama bitch? Who talk like that? He literally broke that woman's soul. If you look at it, you see what I'm talking about, officer. That's not my son.
He broke your stove?
Yes, he literally broke it constant. I went to the hospital to get the stitches that took that one from him pushing me. You got done about that. I'll call you back. I'm going to show them. That's crazy, man. I rent. This is not my stuff. He literally broke that woman's stove. I'm not going to stay here like this. I can't. No, let him in.
What you talking about? Let him in for what? Let him in for what?
No, I'm a bitch. I'm a hoe. I ain't your
I ain't
mama.
calling you no bitch and no hoe, no.
Harold,
I ain't doing none of that.
I'm not sorry.
Hold on, sir.
Stop, put that down. Stop.
Hold on.
Harold.
Hold on. Hey.
Harold.
Harold,
Hey.
stop.
Don't.
Stop.
Don't.
Come outside.
Tase me?
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
What y'all finna tase me
On the
for?
ground.
Get on the ground, Harold.
What I did? What y'all tase me for?
Other hand. According to you, Harold's detained.
What y'all came to my house for? What I did?
Because your mom let us in.
What she let y'all in for?
Stay right there. What did you put in?
So you finna press charge on me?
Hello?
So you finna press charge on me?
Where did it go?
What go?
What was in your hand?
What is in my hand, man? Them was something that she be lighting up in here, man. There wasn't nothing in my
Your
hand.
blood.
Yeah, I did.
There wasn't nothing in my hand.
There's a
Oh my God, I'm
scale
so
on
tired,
the
man. Y'all just can't take me to jail for this, like for no reason. Y'all be running my house, and I called y'all. I be telling y'all she be messing with me. No, I'm pressing charges on her first. So, no, you cannot take me to jail. I didn't do nothing. This is my house. Don't treat me like that. I just not got out of jail. Do not treat me like that.
Is it in there?
This is my house.
I don't know.
This is not your
I don't have nothing on me at all.
Stay away from that table.
I sure am.
Ma'am,
That's stuff that she has.
ma'am,
How the hell?
ma'am, can you just wait outside for us?
Yeah, I'm in the hospital.
How? I just told you I
What
ain't
was
do
in
nothing.
your-
I don't got nothing on me.
Stand up.
You're not finna see my ass cheeks.
Stand up.
That's what you're not gonna do now. Now you can let me out these hands because I ain't do
I'm
nothing.
gonna pull your pants up for you.
I'm finna pull up myself. You don't gotta touch me. Please do not touch me.
Okay.
You just tried to rape me. You just tried to rape me now.
Stop.
You just tried to rape. I just told you I don't got nothing in my pockets. I'm not gonna let you rape me. That's just my ID card. That's just my ID card, sir. Because I always call y'all and tell y'all she be messing with me.
Stop.
I just told you.
Calm down.
Hey,
I'm calm
right,
down.
Right.
I called y'all. How y'all gonna get mad at me when I called y'all? Really? For her stuff that's on the table? Really?
Okay.
Come on, she light that up every day. Nobody don't talk shit when she talk shit, dog. I'm just trying to protect my family. I called y'all. How you gonna take me to jail? How you gonna take me to jail because I called y'all?
Yeah, I see him.
How you gonna take me to jail because I called y'all? What? You see what?
What
That
happened?
ain't nothing.
What happened here?
You see
Harold?
what? That's her stuff. That's what she
No,
got.
I'm talking about the stove. What happened to the
Who the
stove?
stove, bro? Why'd you carry me out my house like this? What? Come on. There ain't no drugs in here.
How you gonna tell us my stuff?
All right.
Just stay out of the house.
Oh my.
So what? The stove. Obviously, I see it's busted. What
Come
happened?
on, you gonna press charges on me?
Okay, just stay here. Just don't go in the house.
Come on now, you know I ain't do nothing, man. Okay, then, they just can't take. I ain't going to jail.
I think it's
When I called y'all, I can't go to jail.
Yeah.
When I called y'all.
I have them all.
When I called y'all,
I got one. I'll grab it.
I called y'all. So how I'm gonna go to jail? How I'm gonna go to jail when I called y'all? You just can't do that in my own home.
You didn't call me.
Yes, I did call y'all.
Your mom?
I the one that did the report.
Your mom called. What report?
I the one that did the report.
He's
When I called y'all. For possession of what?
possession.
Of what?
What about the
Possession.
Tampering for what?
Possession, tampering.
Tampering what?
Because you grabbed it and you were
tamper
running your room.
I didn't grab
Resisting.
nothing. You ain't seen me resist nothing.
That's why you have to be held at taser point?
I know I'm gonna beat that.
Okay.
I know I'm gonna beat that. I know I'm gonna beat that. I know I'm gonna beat that. You know I don't got nothing on me, sir. So can you please stop trying to search my ass? You know I don't got nothing on me. So please stop trying to search my ass. You just took my money from out my pocket. You just not took my money from my pocket.
Yes,
no.
It's on the table.
Okay then. You just not saying you steady searching me.
Stop.
I'm trying to hold my pants up.
Let go.
Let me hold my pants up.
Harold, knock it off.
Man, that shit don't hurt me, man. That shit don't hurt me, bro. That shit do not hurt me, bro.
I never wanted
That shit don't hurt me, bro. That shit don't hurt me. All that dumb shit. Y'all just can't arrest me when I called y'all. What did you on my pants for, sir? I just told you I don't got nothing in my pants. Let me pull up my pants. I'm 42.
Put your feet in.
Okay. Put my feet in for
Put your
what?
feet in.
Put your feet in.
Put my feet in for what?
Stop.
Move your foot. He keeps saying you're not getting in my ass, you're not getting in my ass. We think he's got more dope.
Alright.
Hey, did you get this big one?
What?
These? And these wrap. These chunks.
When I got a witness, my daughter will tell you. My toilet stopped up.
I believe you.
I still got my work uniform on. Just legally got back from the hospital.
No, I believe you.
But he been acting stupid since I got off of work.
I know where that. The best thing for him right
We'll
now.
have to take him out and search him again. That or we just say screw it and I take him to jail.
Take him to jail and I don't want to get it out. Try something again.
No.
I don't want to repeat of
No, he about got popped.
where you have that test kit?
Sarcasm.
Sarge,
But he been acting like that. But
you have that test kit?
he didn't have no reason. Listen to me. I been at work.
No,
When I got off of work, he had my music on loud there. I said, cut it down. He cut it back up. That's it. All that. I said, on the floor.
So I would say possession.
Possession, tampering, and resisting.
My girlfriend, you want to go to
Paraphernalia and paraphernalia.
She damn did.
Right.
But I never report that.
Yeah, and I got all that. So I believe you. But what I'm getting at is you don't want the drugs in your house anymore, right?
No, I
No, and
ain't gonna tell that to you it's mine.
no, trust me, I don't believe they're yours, or else you would be in the back of the car right now with him. You know what I'm saying?
All right, Harold, I got to read this to you. All right, buddy?
Go ahead. He just said I'm getting back ready.
Yeah, no, you're not being bait cracked.
Why not?
You're under arrest.
He just
All right,
arrest for what?
hold on. Listen, and I'll explain. Okay. So you have the right to remain silent and refuse to answer questions. Anything you say may be used against you in a court of law. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not to answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand these rights I've explained to you?
I don't understand none of that.
Do you need me to reread it?
I don't understand none of that.
Do you need me to reread them?
No.
No? Okay, having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me?
No.
Okay. I just have to read it to you, brother.
Yeah.
So I am letting you know that you are being placed under arrest for the possession of narcotics, drug paraphernalia, resisting arrest, and tampering with evidence. Yes, ma'am. No, it goes to commissary.
Please put that on there for now.
176.
Let him know he got commissary.
176.
That's what it looks like.
Okay, I'll recount it at the jail.
Information, I'm not good at his commissary. I just thought about it.
Yeah, it will. So what will happen? I'll count that up. I'll put the amount on it. I'll give it to a deputy at the jail. The deputy is going to count it and confirm that's what I gave him, and then it's going to go into a machine that's going to go into an account that's associated with him.
Let him know.
So.
Yeah, right. Next we stole the money. That's gonna be that.
Well, it'll all be on
It's
our
all on body cam.
Yeah, I know.
It's on body cam. You brought it to us, that we put it in here. When he gets to the jail and he counts it out, it'll be on camera when they count it out. Same thing. So.
To 4.
Alright.
Check that again. Check it again.
MDMA.
Check it.
Positive? Yeah, if it turns purple, it's empty.
There ain't no NBA, man. That's what that's better.
Molly, told you. They ain't crack. They both bad.
This is.
Just thing is, it tested positive for fentanyl, it tested positive for, yeah. So,
Yeah.
Fentanyl
is the drug that's killing her.
real quick. Yeah.
Who's getting positive for that?
We know you on papers like her. We don't want to see you go to jail. We want to see you do better. You and Kaya. So get better. Stop doing drugs, for real. You want to come live with me? Good, because I'm going to.
Oh my God, look at them. I told you they done sent them to the store.
I love you.
All right, come on.
Say it back. You don't love me?
I'm gonna search my car. Which, there's dope there, right there.
Yeah.
Oh, there's another one.
Just rocks.
Check.
Rock, yeah.
Rocks. Rocks. Rocks.
He had the same stuff in the house and it's just
Rocks. They gonna test it as rocks. This man just said rocks. Country ass stuff?
Yes.
Sears,
You put those on, Sears.
like a store.
Yes, that is dope.